Hi, my name is Brian Freeman. I am the Programme Leader for the New Zealand Certificate for Electrical Engineering Theory. There are lots of different types of electricians when you completed. You could do domestic or industrial installation, maintenance, industrial control, instrumentation. There are lots of different angles and lots of different opportunities for electricians in New Zealand and all around the world actually. And obviously now is a good time to become an electrician, with the government just having made an announcement that additional funding is going to be available towards trade apprenticeships. The New Zealand Certificate for Electrical Engineering Theory is a pre-trade course. With this course you would gain 120 of the 250 credits required to be an electrician. So you've done half the theory, and also there's a large hands-on practical content. From here, well, we've got a level 4 managed apprenticeship course, whereby the apprentices are looked after by our lecturers here, and you do night classes and some block courses. At the end of that, you'll sit the electrical theory and regulations exams, which will allow you to register as an electrician. You may choose to do the diploma, in which case it's a bit more theoretical study, but you enter the workforce at a higher place, or you even might choose to do the bachelor's in engineering technology with an electrical bias, in which case you'll become an electrical engineer. For the pre-trade, the entry requirements are level 2 maths, English and physics or another science. To join the managed apprenticeship course, you do need to have an employer already to take you on as an apprentice. Then there are further qualifications towards the diploma and the degree options, which would be explained if you applied for these things. At Otago Polytechnic, you'll complete your theory in various subjects such as circuit design, electrical supply and distribution, electronics. We do all these things. And then in order to get experience with domestic installation, our students will be responsible for wiring up the 4 houses that are created by the carpentry school. As well as all the theory, there's a lot of hands-on work which will give you the practical experience when you go out into the workforce. We have great facilities in the form of modern classrooms, labs for electronics. We have a machine shop in which we study industrial control and isolation, electrical control boards, PLCs and variable speed drives that we use to instruct the students. We have a lot of industry connections, and we have regular meetings with the electrical employers from around the area, and we discuss with them what they want from our students when they leave here and go and work for them. And with that in mind, we now get our students to obtain a first aid certificate and a site safe certificate, both of which are of great help to them when they go to apply for a job. Also, 1 day a week the students spend out working on a site with an electrician to get valuable experience. So if you're interested in this sort of study, give the Otago Polytechnic a call and they'll direct you to our department, and we'll be happy to talk to you.